Alright, here's something funny. When you go shopping with me, this is what you get. A whole bunch of fun stuff that you don't need. But my favorite part about it is, check out, I get to see my name in big letters. Isn't that funny? So, I'm totally satisfied now, even if I had to return everything. I just love the name Masters.
The power of the dark side.
Okay, it's 2018, it's mid-May, and if you've been watching power tools for the last couple of years, I mean, what I've noticed is that this particular company here seems to be making a push into the more mid or upper end category. I've been using tools from this company. I call it Ryobi. I guess some people call it Ryobi. And I literally still have some of the old blue Ryobi tools that I got years ago in a deal, and the batteries are still at least sort of working. All my old DeWalt tools, the batteries on those died years ago. Okay, and subsequently I have bought and sold a lot of this Ryobi ONE Plus stuff. And the deal is, every year about this time, they seem to have a pretty good sale at Home Depot, and so I'll go in and cash in on something like, buy this with 2 3-amp-hour batteries and a rapid charger, and then get this 2 2-amp-hour batteries for free. So I did a couple of deals like that. Then I did a couple of deals which were, buy one of these, get the radio for free, or buy one of those and get the wet dry vac for free. Okay, now let's just take a look. Hell, look at that. That is a Ryobi. All right, I was using that last weekend. And my pressure washer is also Ryobi. Okay, it's under there, you can't see it. The point is, I do seem to use a lot of tools by this company because I get good deals on them, and then I like them. I'm sick of screwing around with the plug-in wet dry vac, so I got that. I'm sick of screwing around with the blowers just to dry my car and clean the leaves off the hood and stuff, so I got the little mini blower. And then I got the tire inflator, because I'm tired of, one of my tires continues to go low, and I'm tired of pulling out the air compressor. Last time I pulled out the air compressor, it wasn't working right, and so then I had to have an air compressor project, and I never got my tire filled up. So you might want to do yourself a favor and pay attention to the deals at Home Depot during this time of the year, and then go down and buy yourself some Ryobi stuff. It's awesome.